Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Bro Vila with another around the house project. Today I am going to work on changing out the map sensor on my 2019 Denali HD 6.6 liter Duramax. Just a common problem that I think I want to head off before I have any issues. I'm getting ready to take a road trip in this truck next weekend, and I thought I'd take you along for the ride. If you haven't already done so, make sure you give your boy a like, subscribe, a follow, comments, all that good jazz, as it will help the channel. Now, if you don't already have one, you need to make sure you have a step stool, step ladder, something. Unless you are 6'5" and can reach over the grill and the hood of these monsters, you're gonna need something to step on. So I'm up on my ladder, and this right here, if you are wondering where it is, that is your map sensor. Not very hard to get to. It's only one clip to take it off and a 10mm screw. So I'm gonna go get my 10mm socket and pop that bad boy off. We're gonna see what it looks like on the inside. All right, got my 10mm. Let's see if we can get this bad boy off. Bolt's not really that tight. Just need to crack it. You can do it by hand after that. Let's see if I can pop this off. Of course, these never work like they are designed to. Let's take the bolt out. See what she looks like. There you have it. That map sensor is completely clogged. Can't even see through it. That is all soot and carbon that is flowing through your engine, past the turbocharger, out the exhaust. Now, to give you a little perspective on how clogged that map sensor was, this is the one that I took out of the truck. This is a new one. Side by side, you can see that that thing right there was probably giving bad readings. This should improve the power, hopefully the gas mileage, we'll see. Okay, we figured out how to put this together. We're going to take this and insert it into the side, right here. So there you go. The map sensor is going to go into the side using the new bolt. Going to put the washer on right there, and then I'm going to connect the wire here first that we took off up there on the harness, and then I'm going to put this face down on the exhaust port or air inlet port, whatever the heck that is, and put the final screw back in. So that's how it looks. Put a final tighten on this. This screw does not feel long enough, so I might need to swap those around. So yep, you gotta put the hex screw in the top. It's a slightly longer. Put the original screw in the back. Let's see. You can see that back there, the original screw, and it is on there. Let's fire this bad boy up and see what happens. All fired up. No check engine lights. Need to reset that tire monitor for these tires that got swapped out. I'll do that later. It'll be a different video. But otherwise, all right. So I just test drove the L5P Duramax 6.6 liter engine after replacing the map sensor. I don't know this to be exact science yet, but my miles per gallon seems like they kind of went up a little bit. I don't know, I did maybe a 3 or 4 mile like little loop. Nothing major, but I noticed the uptick, not a downtick, and I was flooring it. No hesitation. Feels a little bit smoother, nothing dramatic. So we will see. But if you haven't done it, it's really an easy job. Get you a 10mm socket. It's pretty much all you need. Maybe a screwdriver to help tap the plug off of the actual map sensor. Literally, if you know what you're doing, it's a 10-minute job tops. So change the map sensor. They're not expensive, and it'll keep you from probably breaking down on the side of the road. If you haven't already done so, give your boy a subscribe, a like, and a follow, whatever the case may be. Appreciate you.